All right, President John Dramani Mahama is the target. President John Dramani Mahama, or no, or your target, President John Dramani Mahama, or no, nanka, or say, and drop plane crash na, a see no, and call no betting. Abusafo, Ajagurajah, Abekasa, Abe reveal secrets. Niama, isi, Yenentia, President John Dramani Mahama, and to me, afu, sa, plane, and dra, and ka, and ne. And kind fit and draw Bessie and the Yenti Asempa. Abusafo, Yanko, Nanko share video. And Yasawo, eyewitness are Omo a bibia I didn't see no. Omuhu bibia Yanko, Nanko share some videos, Nebra, Nayaba, you was a bigger. Namishabia.
Dena yura Mahama uncle.
Dena. Dena Bibu one or something to me.
And I'm not trap near for Mahama.
Sanity, Wadama. I just say be an enemy.
I be an trap near for you, Mahama.
And
at the dinner chile.
A
in a free.
There be our catcher.
Hey, Chamai.
That will go.
Mahama, you want a date to me, Mammy. Hey, but go, I Google the shape, Mammy. So it's all working the birthday now, work at the I think this was a trap set for President Mahama. What is Mahama's date of birth?
29th November 1958. 1958.
1958. The 5 free minutes the other day. Numerology. 29th November 1958. Club year, me and 8. President Mahama, not the same or really, eh?
Number 8.
Or number 8. Not the 7 and another number 8. We will say question. Abema no shame come. Say, playing better for me. Mungu hunu. There might be more to it.
There might.
So who vision say playing better for me.
Playing better for money.
This man to be playing be tough for plane. Yes, I have a bomb pie. Plane crashes. We know a bushia Ghana for a radin diverting free Ghana.
Jesus.
We know a bushia. A ye plane crashes.
Jesus.
A ye free one.
A ye dinner boy who is playing better for me. Ghana, your mama suspected so or Ghana, I want yet. Alec boy, be the boy in a cheap. Maybe you know spiritually. Me the bet me can you see from man? God has saved President Mahama from a trap. Ya 1958. 8 months, no other ballot box 8. On the 8th month, he also called conference. Nipa 8 and a wo.
The number 8 in numerology is not considered to be the number of extremes. This number is powerful to the extent that it will show you the best or the worst days of your life.
It will show you the best or the worst days
of your life in the blink of an eye.
In the blink of an eye. 8, you know, I bet you blink of an eye.
The number 8 is ruled by Saturn.
The number 8 is ruled by Saturn.
Saturn is a planet that makes the native work hard and also learns the lesson.
What is Saturn? A rule number 8. And your life will just end in the blink of an eye.
In the blink of an eye.
Numerology. And I catch it all. Mahama is also 8. He's in his 8th month in office. Check out the
8 months in January 2.
You 29th November 1958. Okay.
Number 8 on the ballot.
Number 8 on the ballot paper. Yeah, I'm going. Number on the 8th month. Number 8 he's in his 8th month in office.
Number 8 on the 8th month.
Hey. I normal on.
I say normal.
I normal on.
I say taisi.
I normal
I
on.
say a normal thing.
I normal on.
Abusiafo, asem na critical. Asem no I critical. But see, nyama na ebubo ba no. It is sad. Na abusiafo Ghana for so kasa. Ghana for kasa pa. Ghana for kasa. Ebisi. Na do dan kwa Akufo-Addo. A launch sa project ne dida. Sa community mining no. Na do dan kwa Akufo-Addo. Ni Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Oma launch sa de ne da. Inti hede intia. Ene the president of this land instead say obe declare state of emergency e was sabia ye honum because omo opposition no did na omo yen say Nanado and declare state of emergency e kire say Nanado timu na edin enti onu president John Dramani Mahama eni ni INDC aban no say omo ba power. They are going to declare state of emergency in this Galamsey site. They are going to declare state of emergency in our forest reserves. It's gonna foresee a BMC. If President John Dramani Mahama were to go by the Onuokaye in opposition, Ghana for enya GD on more a toa bamba no. Anka so or to me yes anyama na anka enye ne a nkofo we ebefia kra ebra ono nkasa na was like all fools are playing no. President John Dramani Mahama were supposed to be in that plane inti na ye see ene na endra no na o feel say nyama bi nko yie nti anka the defense minister on call in place of him. Anka Ebusiafo anka the AC endwano anka be time off. Anka e be time Ebusiafo nti dia Ghana for bisu kase ye bompa ma President John Dramani Mahama because I say attack na ebani sunu because there were a lot of prophecies about Bontia e kire say they have warned these people. Say, Niyama BBC, Besi. Niyama BBC, Besi. But President John Dramani Mahama couldn't fulfill some promises now. And I say, yes, ABC elections now. We no wako yen Niyama bioma ko yen Niyama bi na enunti na ene sound the way nyinesi. Ba Busiafo yebe bompaye ama omo Ghana na etu bakufo a atu enyina na me shero bibia.